Hi everybody, my name is Liz and you have come to Plants in Boxes. Today I want to talk about this nice little care package that I got from Shop Hello Mary. They sent me out quite a few items over the past month or so, and I'm just now getting around to them for review. And tomorrow, I forgot to mention this on my last video, but tomorrow is my birthday and I am going to be going live around 12 noon Central Time, so I hope to see you all there. And I'm going to be doing a live review on one of these strains here, and just to show you what's going to be coming up in the future. And we're also going to be making with one of these strains for my birthday tomorrow, a Thai stick cannagar from my Purple Rose Supply cannagar maker. I'm also an affiliate with them. I can save you some money, up to 15% with them. So the first thing that I got from Shop Hello Mary is 818 OG. We all know that. That's the old OG. I love that one. I've purchased it before, and this reminds me of one that I have purchased from the medical dispensary, OG 18. That's what the taste reminds me so much of it, and the medicinal properties also remind me of it. We also got Tropaya. This is a resin, 1 gram, from Shop Hello Mary too. You all know that I love their rosin. I think their rosin is top tier. Then we got Blue Raspberry. This is the one I think I'm going to make the cannagar Thai stick out of. Now this is in 7 grams, but this size Thai stick that we're going to probably use for this will be 3.5 grams. And this one I'm going to probably sesh on during my live and do a review about it. But this is a hybrid and it's great for daytime and evening time. That's what I like about this, because all of these other ones are close to indica or indica dominant. So this is the one we'll probably do for the cannagar. Another thing I got from Shop Hello Mary, got another rosin, Strawberry Kush. This is another top tier rosin of there. Again, you know how I love me some rosin from Shop Hello Mary. Their stuff is top tier if you ask me. Next, we got us a 3.5 gram bag of Granddaddy Purple. Love that for me. I can't wait to try. This is an old school strain, Granddaddy Purple. We're going to talk a lot about that. I can't wait to get to the review on this one. This is going to be fun. I cannot wait. And the last but not least one that I got from them is Dr. J, 3.5 gram. This one is also an indica dominant hybrid as well, so I can't wait to talk about this one as well. So this was a pretty nice package that I got sent out, plus this really nice sticker. And of course I did get all the cards. Like they wrote me a nice little card saying thank you for smoking with us, anytime. And of course we got the legal notice here. Always keep these in your possession, letting you know that this is a legal substance that is coming through the mail. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to clear all this off, and we're going to take one of these, which is the Blue Raspberry. I'm going to talk about it and tell you all about it from their site. Now this one is sold out on their site. I can tell you right now, I just checked, this one is sold out. So the best thing to do is get on their email list, and when they do a drop and a restock of this, that way you'll know. Okay, so we're going to go ahead. We'll come right back. We're going to clear everything off and get everything ready to do this Thai stick. So we'll be right back. Okay, we are back. And today we're going to be talking about Blue Raspberry. Now let me go ahead and pull up their site so that we can talk about this strain. Let me find it on here. I do know that this is a hybrid, but I want to get you all the crosses and everything like that so that you know everything about it. Okay. Now this is their pack of smalls, and it is a hybrid, and it is premium indoor grown. So let's give this an open and check these out. Now it is a cross between blueberry and raspberry kush. The effects are balanced, And they offer a euphoric lift paired with a calming body relaxation, making it a versatile choice for both daytime and evening use. You can expect a sweet candy-like berry profile with a hint of tang that makes each session smooth and flavorful. So these are premium hybrid indoor. Look at this. Oh, these look nice. Beautiful. Definitely gonna have to get you some up close shots. Mmm. Smells so piney when you smell inside the bag. It has a nice earthy, dank smell to it. And I'm smelling a lot of pine on it as well. This is nice. Nice looking buds. Nice and airy. It's got some stick to it. That's a good thing. We got that sticky icky. Good bounce back. Nice stick. Ooh. Very citrusy when you squeeze a bud. It could be the hand sanitizer I smell too, because I did sanitize my hands before we opened this. But it does have a nice little citrusy smell as well. I'm going to get you some close-up shots of this. Okay, I did grind up some blue raspberry here. I don't know if this is going to be enough, but we're going to start making this Thai stick. Now, what you're going to get with this set, you're going to get this chamber where you're going to, and these skewers where you're going to put the product inside and make your Thai stick. But basically what I want to do is line the skewer up with this crevice, with this hole right here, close it up, and then lock it. And then this is where you're going to place all of your herbs inside there. Now, make sure you do this over a tray because this can get kind of messy. This also does come with a mouthpiece that you can use. Now, what I do is I just take a little card and I just start stuffing it in and maybe pounding it, getting it around and getting it inside like this. Real easy to do. And then I just take this packer and I give it a nice little slight push down. And what it does is it packs the product together, getting it nice and sticky. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure that your botanicals are nice and moist. The best relative humidity will probably be around 60 to 61 relative humidity moisture level for this. Again, I'm just packing this down and I'm pushing it nice and firm. You don't have to overdo it. You know, just get it to where it's nice and packed and firm. And here's what it looks like. And you can see how I started it. You can see how it's packing at the bottom. That's about the size of it. So we're going to try and get 3.5 grams inside this canister. I'm going to go ahead and mute it. You can listen to some music and smoke while I pack this. And what I'm going to do after I finish packing it is let it sit overnight. And then we're going to wrap it for the morning. So sit back and enjoy while I go ahead and pack this. I'll go ahead and speed things up for you. Okay, here's what we did. We went on ahead and we finished packing it up, and this is the size of it. Okay, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to leave this in its case overnight. We're going to leave it just like this overnight, and then tomorrow morning for my birthday, we're going to go ahead and wrap it up in a nice little hemp wrap, and we're going to enjoy the chest. I'll see you in the next video. I hope to see you at the live tomorrow. Thanks for